Hi guys! We're going to watch a quick video so we could learn more about capacity. Remember, capacity is how much something can hold. So the words we're going to use when we describe capacity are going to be more or less. Here we go. Let's compare some containers. Here are two glasses. Which glass holds more? So looking at the two, which one holds more? The larger glass holds more. Now look at these two bowls. Which bowl holds less? Remember, less is going to be smaller. So which one holds less? The smaller bowl holds less. Look at these two pitchers. Do the pitchers hold the same amount, or does one hold more? What do you think? Is one more, or are they equal? They hold the same amount. You have learned to compare how much different containers can hold. Nice job following along, boys and girls. If that was confusing, watch it one more time because tomorrow we're going to do a lot more work on more and less for capacity. Bye!